So I just got a set of blades for the Freedom C 52-inch, and what I do with these blades is let me show you guys here. See how they come with paint here. So what I'll do is these blades are already sharpened, but because of the paint they feel kind of thick. So before I install them into the machine, I'll take all the paint off, so they really will be sharpened. All right, let's do this. This is a brand new one, as you can see here, is painted. So what I'll do, like I said, I just take off the paint real quick. So if this is something that you were trying to find out, this is how I do it. So let me show you another one that I already sharpened. It's for the Freedom C, and it takes 3 blades like this. So let me get you the one that I already sharpened. So this, the first one that I sharpened is, oh man, this is like a razor now. I still have one to go, two more to go. And when you do this though, you have to have a vise so you can really secure these big blades. And when I'm sharpening, this flat area, it tends to thicken the back side of the blade. So what I'll do is I'll gently sharpen the back like so, and when you feel it, oh man, this really cuts. All right, so let's do the other one. Well, it's already done, but I'll give it another shot. Probably it's hard to see for you guys, but this is one nice sharpened blade. All right, this is the last one, and you can see how thick is the paint on this blade. It's because it's brand new. I probably should have done this with the grinder, but I just wanted to take the paint off, because like I said, it is already sharpened. Yeah. Probably if you were trying to find out how to sharpen a blade on YouTube, you should subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting all kinds of outdoor stuff that I do every day. So but if you are an experienced landscaper, you probably don't want to watch this video because you already know. But for those homeowners that struggle to do things at home, this is the channel that you should subscribe. All right, now I'm done with the new blades and I gotta install them. So to do that, I have to move this machine over a little that way so I have a space. Then I'll jack it up and you'll see. All right, so now let's get the jack up. And what I'll do is lean it against it and lift the blades. I mean lift the deck, that's what I meant. Okay. I have this ramp here and you'll see how I do it. Okay. All right, now let's lift the deck. All right, so that now it's ready. So when you do this kind of work, you have to make sure, especially now that it is, I think it is like 80 today. You gotta make sure you drink a lot of water. What are you doing here, man? Come on. A bug just landed on my cooler. All right, so you gotta drink a lot of water. Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels better, I should say. All right, I'm just about done here. I'm not gonna show you guys underneath the deck here because it's dark as hell. Next time, I have to get a light for you guys to see what I do here. But in the meantime, I gotta get the last one off. All right, I'm about to install the last one, the last blade that I just sharpened, and let's see how we do this here. All right, now I have to take the jack off, and you do it like so. Bring the deck down. And put this away. Now, let's cut grass. All right, so that's how you sharpen the brand new blades on your lawnmower. This applies for any lawnmower. All right, I guess now I'm gonna go cut grass. And don't forget to share, like, give a thumbs up for this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And until the next, I'll talk to you guys later. All right, now I'm gonna go cut grass.